Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I went to the range with my brother's 300 WSM. It's chambered in a Remington 700 rifle, and I'm just doing some load development for it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Here are the loads I'll be shooting today, mostly using the 180 grain ballistic tip, and I loaded them up with Winchester 760 powder. I did a load of 60 grains, a load of 61, and a load of 62. I also loaded two groups using the 130 grain TTSX with Varget.
Fire. If I hold it quick enough, I'll get it. Half hour, or since we started, like, give it a little bit. Maybe just wait till we also.
My second group with the 180 grain ballistic tip, I decided to shoot at the top left corner. My mistake. One, the camera didn't get the shots, and two, one of my shots went above the paper, unfortunately.
I've got one. That one's probably worth on the chicken. Yeah.
We're doing eggs.
Compared to this. Thing that I've never done.
I did.
I did not stop.
Now I'm going to try the 130 grain TTSX with Varget. This is the only group I did. At this point, the barrel was pretty hot and it struggled to cool down.
Yeah. You know, if you're not, you may not be.
Back from the range, let's go ahead and look at these groups. The best group of the day was the first group with 60 grains of Winchester 760. Those first two shots were so promising, and then that third shot was quite the flyer. This comes in around 2.5 inch group. The second group, a little bit more of disappointment. Two that are relatively close, and then the last, or I guess this was the second shot was high, I assume, because it's nowhere else on the paper. And then the third group, oh, I don't know, it's probably like a 3-inch group. Again, a little disappointing, but, you know, looking at the reloading book, you know, I use Winchester 760. It's not my favorite powder, but it's the powder that I'm willing to use right now. I think it'd be fun to try the H4831SC, but I don't have a lot of it, and I'm saving it up for my 270. And then I do have a decent amount of 7828, but that is mostly going to be reserved for my 300 Weatherby for future stuff. So, and again, this was just to do it for fun. Not trying to develop some loads. I mean, I am using a ballistic tip bullet. So, but I think what I might do is try load half a grain under 60 grains and then a half a grain above 60 grains. Yeah, should be fun. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. There will be more 300 WSM content in the near future.